हेलो बच्चों, हेलो हेलो हेलो, क्या चल रहा है बच्चों? थोड़ा डिलेड है, क्लास 10 का था 11 पहुंच गया. सो एवरीवन, हाउ इज ऑल गोइंग? कौन कौन है? Who is there? Who all is there? Put it in the chat section. Hello, hello, hello. Our target today to finish physics, okay? And along with that, a group session for maths, starting for sets, relations, and functions. Come on, come on, come on, come fast, come fast. Hello, hello, hello. Anybody there? इंसान भेज रहा है. हाय अर्चना, हाय लकी, हाय कविता मैम, हाय हित. डिलीटेड सिलेबस भी है, जानना जरूरी है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. क्या लगता है बच्चों, इस साल डिलीटेड है कुछ? ये सारे कॉमेट के 2022. कितने बच्चों को लग रहा है डिलीटेड है? और क्या क्या डिलीटेड है? कितने बच्चों को लग रहा है डिलीटेड नहीं है? बताओ बताओ. चलो, एक बचहीत ने कहा नो डिलीटेड, ठीक है, बाकी अदर्स? देखो, अगर आप कॉमेडके का सिलेबस पढ़ोगे बच्चों, ठीक है, एक पेज मैं आप लोगों को शेयर करता हूं, ठीक है। The entrance test is based on current 11th and 12th syllabus of CBSE. कुछ डिलीटेड दिख रहा है क्या बच्चों? हेलो हेलो बच्चा पार्टी। विल डू क्रेमर्स रूल ऑल्सो, डोंट वरी, उसको भी करा देंगे। सिंपल है, क्रेमर्स रूल ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है, सिंपल सा है, टेंशन नहीं लेना। सो डिलीटेड का सवाल जो है मन से निकाल दो, कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है जो नहीं आ सकता, सब आ सकता है, ठीक है। चलो, और किसी को सिलेबस से कोई डाउट? ठीक है, चलो अब सीबीएसई का इस साल का 11th-12th का जो सिलेबस है, देखो इसने लिखा नहीं है कि सीबीएसई कौन सा, जस्ट सीबीएसई 11th-12th, ठीक है। अब सीबीएसई देख लो, सीबीएसई में क्या क्या डिलीटेड है बच्चों 11th एंड 12th में। चलो, बादशाह सर ने पॉइंट उठाया कि सीबीएसई में तो डिलीटेड है, तो देखो 2021 में जब इनका था तो इन्होंने लिख दिया था एज पर द करंट डिलीटेड सिलेबस ऑफ सीबीएसई, ओके, एज पर द करंट डिलीटेड सिलेबस एंड एवरीथिंग ऑफ सीबीएसई, बट इस बार इन्होंने पूरा का पूरा लिखा है, ठीक है। तो इस वाले केस में बेटर है कि पूरा कर लो, क्योंकि देखो बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजें छूट रही है और फायदा नहीं है, अगर क्वेश्चन आ गया तो दिक्कत है, ठीक है। बेटर क्या है बच्चों, टू डू ऑल, सब कर लो, क्योंकि देखो हेल्प कर जाता है बहुत ज़्यादा, और ज़्यादा चीज़ें डिलीटेड नहीं है, और जो चीज़ें डिलीटेड है वो सब लिंक्ड है, ठीक है। तो बेटर होगा आप सारी चीज़ों को पढ़ लो, दैट वे इट विल बी ईजियर फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस इन मच फास्टर वे, ठीक है। ट्राई नॉट टू गो फॉर डिलीटेड पार्ट, डू एवरीथिंग, टाइम इज देयर स्टिल, सो वी कैन फिनिश एवरीथिंग, ओके। व्हाट यू कैन डू इज इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ प्रायोरिटी, आप मतलब सीबीएसई वाले जो सिलेबस हैं उसको दे दो, एंड डिलीटेड को प्रायोरिटी उतना मत दो, बट एटलीस्ट गो थ्रू, छोड़ना नहीं है, अगर क्वेश्चंस आ गए तो फिर दिक्कत हो जाएगा, सो छोड़ना नहीं है, ठीक है। चलो so will we start? चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं बच्चों, ठीक है। लगभग सेकेंड पीयूसी से आपके सेकेंड पीयू वाले 12th वाले पोर्शन से आपके लगभग 40-45 मार्क्स आप तीनों सब्जेक्ट में रख लो। सो 45 इंटू 3 आप 130 स्कोर कर सकते हो, ठीक है। तो पहले इसलिए 12वीं वाले चीज़ों को पहले कंप्लीट कर देते हैं, उसके बाद दूसरी चीज़ों पे आएंगे, ठीक है। चलो जो डिलीटेड है जितनी कहानी है सारा लगभग 120 हम इधर से कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं। तो पहले इधर को कंप्लीट करते हैं, फिर इस पे आते हैं, ठीक है। चलो ऑडियो और वीडियो प्रॉपर है बच्चों, किसी को कोई दिक्कत किसी तरह का तो बोल देना, ठीक है। ऑडियो और वीडियो प्रॉपर है। इज द ऑडियो एंड वीडियो क्लियर एवरीबडी स्टूडेंट्स? चलो विल स्टार्ट द टाइमर। वन सेकेंड स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोग स्टार्ट करो क्वेश्चन। चलो बच्चों, बहुत सारे बच्चों का आंसर है सी F/3 चलो सारे ही बच्चों का सही आंसर है। केशव, कार्तिकेय, कविता, लकी, गुड। व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स? हीत आंसर क्यों नहीं? एक मिनट बच्चों। So everybody got the answer. Very simple problem was there, correct? Chalo. So let's start the next one then. Do you want me to explain or everybody knows? Anybody has any doubt in this? Come on, come on, come on. Anybody has any doubt? I think so everybody got, correct? What about Archana ma'am? No answers? You there? If you are there, if you got it, okay. If not, then I'll put up the answer, how to do it. Okay? Chalo, chalo, chalo. Okay. Let's see the next question a bit faster this time. A very simple question, very simple question. Timer starts now. Chalo, fast everybody, fast, fast, fast. The timer has started. On mid time. Let's see who can do it correct. Options in the chat section. Okay, the first option, Karthike, B. What about others? Come on, come on, come on. Vimal, B. Very good students. Come on, fast. Come on, others, others, others. Come on, Lucky, come on. Archana, ma'am, Heath, Basha. Vaibhav, good. Archana, good. Keshav, also good. So everybody got it. So we all know by the properties of electric field lines, they can never form a closed loop. From positive charge, the field can't come and go back again in the positive only, correct? It's not like from positive it came and again went back to inside, correct? Not possible. Clear, everybody? Chalo, next question. Let's see, you can say this. I want in 30 seconds. Come on, answers in 30 seconds. Come on, everybody. 30 seconds. That's it. Come on, 30 seconds. Come on. Answers fast, kids. Okay, one. Karthik, good. Basha, good. Kavita, ma'am, good. Vimal, good. Very simple. See, never get scared with CT or Comedk. What are the questions they're asking? Nothing. And people say JE level. Is this JE level? Nothing. Simple it is. Okay. And this is not my question, students. Previous year's questions. Okay. But we have to be fast. Okay. And we have to be very sincere. Like we are not doing silly mistakes. Okay. So everybody got the answer. I don't have to explain anything. Damn good. What about this? Let's see. Who can handle this? Come on, fast. Let's see who can handle this. Chalo, fast. For this, I'll give 2 minutes. Take your time. I need correct answer. Chalo, everybody. Chalo, everybody got correct answer. D. Very good. Simple Gauss law. See, nothing was there. What did they asked? Gauss law said what? E dot ds is equal to what? Charge enclosed by epsilon naught. If charge enclosed is laddu, so what will be the total? Zero only, no? Done. Clear? Okay, chalo. Let's see next. Let's see who can solve this question. A very good question. Mark it very important. Everybody mark it very important. Because see, from here we'll learn a lot And this type of questions student gets complicated. Okay, students are not able to understand and not able to solve. So I'll show also. So mark it very important. Mark it very important. Come on fast. Try everybody. I'll give 2 minutes time. Okay. I'll give 2 minutes time for everyone. Try. Let's see who can solve it. Come on, students. You can get Basha A. Basha A. Not bad. Not bad. Basha A. Not bad. Good. Let's see. We are getting multiple answers. Come on. Come on. Answer A or answer B. Let's see. Come on. Come on. Come on, everybody. Let's see who can go for A and who can go is going for B. Let's see how many for A. Raise your hands and how many for B. What about others? What about others? Yeah, I'll solve this one. Definitely I'll solve this one, Heath, because this is very, very important. And a lot of questions will be based on this. Okay. So mark this as the most important. Okay. Basha is like A final. Okay. What about others? Come on, come on, come on. A final. What about others? Come on. Let's see. Let's see. Come on, Kartikeya, answer. Right, wrong. Nobody cares. Try, try. But don't guess, huh? Oh, lucky. They. Not bad, lucky. What about Kavita ma'am? Which answer? B only or changing? Archana ma'am, sticking with B or changing? B is answer. Okay. Come on, come on. Will I show now, kids? Will I show now? Come on. Let's see, let's see. It's too late. So will I solve? Anybody else to answer? Anybody else to answer? Anybody else to answer? Chalo. I'll solve then. Huh? First, read the question very carefully. Electron of mass m. Very good. Electron is there, mass m is there. Charge E. Charge also given. It is falling through a distance of how much distance? H meter in uniform electric field. Okay. So what we need to understand from here is, whenever an electron is going in electric field, it will get a force. And force formula is what? Charge into electric field. So in case of electron, charge of electron is what? E. So E into capital E. Any doubt, anybody here? Very simple, first line understand. Whenever, see, this concept is used everywhere. Whenever an electron goes in an electric field, in that case, the force acting on the electron is equal to charge into electric field, and that is equal to E into capital E. Anybody, any doubt? This line, simple. Tell me first. Any doubt this line? Whenever an electron goes in an electric field, it will be acted by a force, and that force is given by the formula F is equal to QE. Very simple, yes, no, yes, no. Clear? Yes, no, yes, no. Okay. And whenever there is force, one more force formula we all know, F is equal to ma. F is equal to ma. If somebody is moving, somebody's force is acting and mass it has, so it will be accelerated. So force is equal to what? Mass into acceleration. We all know that. Now let's equate. Always, this is very simple. So what will happen? EE, this force will be equal to what? ma. So acceleration here will be what? E capital E by m. E capital E by m. Clear? Clear everyone? So first we got the acceleration. Now coming to time of fall and this one. Now we remember three equations of motion, uniform accelerated motion. Three equations of motion. What is that? V is equal to u plus at. S is equal to ut plus half at square. And v square is equal to u square plus 2as. See, I don't know initial velocity, final, so I won't take this equation. I don't know final or initial, so I won't take this equation. I know how much distance it is covering, that is h. I know initially when it started it was having 0 velocity. So 0 plus half into acceleration value I already know, E capital E by m, and time I have to find out, t square. So if I send it that side, t square is equal to 2hm by EE. So t is equal to root under of 2hm by E capital E. Clear? Anybody, any doubt? Anybody, any doubt? Do tell me. Anybody, any doubt? Tell me. Chalo. Damn easy. Clear? And this concept you will be getting at least 2 to 3 questions each year. One question like similar to that keeps coming. Very simple. Everywhere what you need to remember first, electron going in a chill mood in a uniform electric field will be acted by a force that is given by this formula. F is equal to QE. And we know whenever force is there, we can use this equation. F is equal to ma, mass into acceleration. Done. From there we can get the acceleration in terms of charge, electric field and mass. So once we got acceleration, we got. Now since it is doing an accelerated motion, these three laws will be applicable. V is equal to u plus at, S equal to ut plus half at square, V square equal to u square plus 2as. Now I don't want final velocity. I don't want V square again final velocity. I need what? Height and time relation. Okay. So directly I'll put up as distance covered is equal to h is equal to initial velocity was 0 plus half into acceleration into t square. Done. Got the answer. Clear everyone? Now it won't be a problem for anybody, correct? Okay, okay, no doubt, no doubt. Good, good, good. Let's see the next question. A very simple question. I need answer in just 30 seconds. Come on, answer in just 30 seconds. C, C, C. What about others? C. C vector form given, so that's why C Basha. Got it? Direction, to show that the directions are 180 degree. Good. Good everybody, good. Chalo. Chalo, next question. Let's see you can solve it. 16 done, 17. Come on fast. 2 minutes I'll be giving you all. So we got from unknown girl what? B, 3D by 4. What about others? One answer we got 3D by 4. What about others? Come on fast everyone. See one thing, let me tell you to all of the students, okay. So you can see the questions are easy, but in the timeline what we are solving, 2 minutes gone. So understand, we need to solve in 45 seconds. Difficulty is in the way, the rate at which you are solving. So until unless you revise thrice 4 times, it won't come, students. The only problem with CT and Comedk exam is You have to be fast. Questions are not tough, but you have to revise again and again, and you have to be fast. Most of the students are solving in more than 2 minutes. Okay, so if you're solving in more than 2 minutes in exam, max 20-25 questions you will be able to solve. Max, let's say 30. 30 won't get a good result, no. We need 130 plus. So again, when I have done, when my class gets done, so what you have to do? Revise again and again, revise. Whatever things are done, multiple times I need the revision from everybody. Can I get that at least? I'll solve it. No issues. But can we get that multiple revision from all of you students? Clear? So can we get that multiple revisions from all of you? Chalo, I'll show you in one very simple method by putting everything, one by solving everything and making a big complicated, okay? See, one big way. Let's say if I'm solving big way, okay? So first what is given? 2 spheres. So draw spheres. This is for home. If you're solving with peaceful mind, you want to solve and everything. So how chilled way you do? First that, okay? You have taken plus 2 nanocoulomb. Here minus 8 nanocoulomb. Clear? Placed at a d distance apart. For your understanding, thinking, okay? D distance apart, okay? If they're allowed to touch each other. Now here, what will be the force? F is equal to what? F is equal to what? K Q1 Q2 by R square. So F is equal to, I'm just going with the magnitude. So F is equal to magnitude of F is equal to K into 16 by D square. Anybody doubt? I didn't take the direction, I took the magnitude first. Anybody doubt till here? We all know Coulomb's law, nothing chilled, correct? Next. Now what happened? You touched them, you made them touch each other. So what will happen? When two things, basically charged things, they touch each other, then what happens? Charges flow from where to where? Higher to lower, so that they make a balance, okay? They reach the common charge. Now what will happen? Minus 8 plus 2. Students, minus 8 plus 2 is how much? Can I get in the chat section? Let's see how good you are in maths and integers. Minus 8 plus 2. Come on, answers. Minus 8 plus 2, how much? Come on, at least this I should get fast. Minus 8 plus 2 is what? Minus 6. Divided by 2 people are taking. So minus 3. So minus 3 this will take, minus 3 this will take. This part understand, very important. One had a charge minus 8, one had a charge 2. So what will happen when you touch this? So first we'll find out what is the net charge. And that net charge will be redistributed into 2 things. Correct? Just like you and your friend, you have, let's say 10 rupee, other friend has 12 rupee, and you wanted to make it like even. So what you did, you took both the amounts 10 and 12, added up 22 and then divided by 2. So everybody got half, 11 like that, okay? So minus 3. Now what you have done? Clear? If they're allowed to touch each other, so this will happen. What is the new distance between them? Now you have removed them. Now you are telling that what should be the new distance, this d dash, so that the force magnitude is same. So earlier force was what? 16k by d square. Now the new force will be what? 9k by d dash square. Correct? 9k by d dash square. Clear? So k went home. No values putting. A lot of students, they start putting k is equal to 9 point this blah blah illa. We don't need that. Okay, now what will happen? So I can see d dash by d square is equal to what? 9 by 16. Correct? D dash by d square. So d dash by d, sorry, whole square it is. Okay, d dash by d will be what? 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Now we got the answer. Clear? We got the answer. Send it that side. So d dash is equal to 3d by 4. Clear everybody? Clear everybody? Now in exam, when you are doing all this, what you have to do? In exam, when you're doing all this, you don't have to write this all. Write the least as much as possible. Write the least as much as possible. So when you're doing in exam, the way you should attempt is the flow. Okay. Force is there, first two charges separated by d distance. Directly you come with the force 16 k by d square. Next two charges in the brain you did, oh, minus 6 distributed by 2. So minus 3 minus 3. Next force is equal to 9k by d dash square. Direct, and these two forces are equal, directly solve it. That's it, done. So in exam you should write this much max. This is the max. If you can do whole thing in brain, damn chill. But in exam, at least minimum, that's like this you should write. Okay. Or these two separated by d distance, this is the force. But the moment they get attached, so minus 3 minus 3 in brain only you have to do. After that, they have put up some d dash distance. What is the force? This one. These two are equal, done. Clear, everybody? It won't take more than 30-35 seconds. It won't take more than 30-35 seconds. Okay. Clear, everyone? Chalo, clear. About others, doubt, no doubt. Come on, people. Chalo. Okay, let's see the next question. A very simple question, let's see who can solve it. Very simple question, let's see who can solve it. I'll give a timer, 2 minutes, fast. Good, Archana ma'am. Come on. This question, let's see who can do it. This is a good question. Take your time. I need correct answers. I need correct answers. Come on, fast. Okay, Pinaki ma'am. Pinaki sir, I think so. Correct. Basha got B. Archana B. 2 root 3 QX. Pinaki also got B. Sandeep B. What about others? Come on, fast. Everybody got B. Come on, Heath. Unknown girl. Vimal. Lucky. Karthik. Come on, fast. Chalo, everybody good. What about others? Come on, fast. ज़्यादा ही फिर टिकटॉक लगेगा भाई. नहीं, ज़्यादा रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा है. पहले अच्छा था डार्क मोड अच्छा है. ज़्यादा लाइट है डार्क मोड, फायदा नहीं. So everybody got B. Do you want me to explain? Anybody who wants me to explain, or we can skip? Everybody got? If you want, I'll explain. If not, it's a chill question. Very simple, very easy. It's a part of the crash course which we are providing. Okay, in that per day we are coming and doing a part of it. Rest today and tomorrow it was for free. Okay, because we will be doing per day like around more than 6 hours of class. So everybody got heat? You want me to explain? Okay. Check here. See here. Damn simple. What is given? Plus 2q plus 2q minus 4q. Okay. So let's say plus 2q here, plus 2q here, minus 4q. So minus this 4q, can I write it as minus 2q minus 2q? Same thing. So this made one dipole, this made another dipole. Now what is the direction of the dipole, kids? Negative to the positive. Direction of the dipole, everybody say it out loud in your home. If anybody says anything, tell my name, no issues. Direction of the dipole, negative to positive. Direction of the dipole, negative to positive. So we have two vectors, one like this, one like this. P1 vector, P2 vector. Both same values, so we can say write P1, P also. No issues, clear. And the distance between them is x. X. So what is the dipole value? P is equal to what? Dipole value will be what? 2q charge into the distance. Done. Clear. Either charge into the distance. Done. So we got this much. Now what will be the resultant? And since they are making equilateral, angle is what, kids? 60 degree. So resultant we learned in physics in vectors. Resultant what we get? Resultant what we get? Resultant of two vectors. Root under of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos 60 degree. Correct, everybody? Yes or no? Forgot? If forgot, do write in the chat section. Forgot, sir. No issues. Again, see here. So here we have first is p square, again p square plus 2 into p, p square. Cos 60 is what? Half. Done. So what we got, students? Root 3p. Now p is what? Root 3 into 2qx. That's it. So 2 root 3 qx. Everybody got it? 2 root 3 qx. Any doubt? I'll again explain. Do tell me. Yes or no? Yes or no? Fast. Come on, fast. Clear, 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 everybody. Very damn simple, no? See here, very late, they mix two concepts. One, first you should know dipole direction so that you can get the vectors. Equilateral, we all know 60 degree. So you got to know that. Now this formula you should remember. So two vectors are there. What will be the resultant of the two vectors? It is given by this formula, sir. Done. Clear? Nothing more than that we require. See, formula is whenever two vectors are there, A vector, B vector, okay. So the resultant of these two vectors R is given by root under of A square plus B square plus 2AB into cos of the angle between these two vectors. So that's theta. So done. Here one dipole we formed from minus 2q to plus q. This direction, and dipole direction what? Negative to positive. Another dipole we formed from negative to positive. So two dipole mean two vectors between and making an angle of 60 degree. So directly use the resultant formula. Got the answer. Got it, Basha? Got it? Yes, doubt, no doubt. Put it up fast, fast. Fast, fast, fast. Everybody. Any doubt? Any doubt? Anybody? P1 equal to P2. No. So see, that's why I wrote P. P1 and P2 both are equal. That's why I wrote P. Equilateral triangle or these both are equal. No. Both the dipole moments are equal. So that's why I wrote P. First I wrote just to show that two vectors are there, I wrote P1 and P2. Then I showed that both is P only. Correct? Because here also dipole moment is what? Either charge into distance. So TQ into X, dipole moment magnitude. Here also either charge into distance, same thing. Clear? Come on, anybody doubt? Got it? Yes, no, fast kids. Yes sir, but it is 2P. Which one is 2P? Where are you getting Basha 2P? See, you got one vector this side as P, other vector this side as P, and the angle between them is 60 degree. So you can't directly, if the vectors were on same direction, same sense, you could have added to P. But they are making an angle 60 degree, no. So we'll use the formula what? Resultant formula of two vectors. Whenever the vectors, two vectors make an angle of theta, the resultant between them is given by this formula. So P square plus 2P into cos 60 degree. Correct. Done. Clear? Chalo. Okay, let's see the next question, students. Let's see the next question. Let's see who can solve this. Fast, fast, fast. 2 minutes time you have. Good. Getting good answers. 3 people have said 14, 1440. What about others? Hi Rohan. A. Answer A. 5760. Okay. Let's see. Who goes with A? Who goes with B? Come on, come on, come on, kids. Let's see, let's see. A very simple question. Put up your answers. Don't hesitate. Right or wrong, doesn't matter. We are here to learn, nothing else. Okay. Chalo, chalo, fast, fast, fast. I'll show. Will I show students or you will try once? What do you say? For max 30 seconds more. Kartike, B, B. What about Lucky? Keshav, Heath, Pinaki. Come on, come on. Fast, 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 everyone. Chalo, let me show you this. Okay. Very, very, very simple question. So what happened? Neutral body was there. Okay. A neutral body was there. You remove this much of electron. So if you remove this much of electron from a neutral body, what will happen? It will get positively charged by that much. That much of electron went out means what? This got positively charged. Now I want to find the electric field at a distance of 20 centimeter from the center. What is the electric field formula? Very simple, sir. K Q by R square. So K is what? 9. No need to put other values. Now what is Q? 4. I'm forgetting about this power and all that. No need. Okay, in exam when I'm doing, and what else is there? This 4 into 10 power 10 into E. Electron charge 1.6. I'm not putting the powers also. In exam if I'll solve like this. Divided by, forget about centimeter, what you say, this all. Just put 2 square is how much? 4. Done. 16 into 9 is 144 around. Done. So answer will be this. Directly I can say. I can put up all the numbers, values, and I can get 1440. Okay. But in exam, no need, because other options are very, very, very different. See, the other options are not like nearby. So we have to put exact numbers and check. We don't have to. Clear, everyone? So here we can just put like this also and directly do. Save time, no issues. Clear, everybody? Now if somebody wants, sir, we want to do it like very properly, what are you going to do? Put up all the values. Electric field, convert it. Electric field is equal to what? 9 into 10 power, how much? 1.6 into 10 power into 4 into 10 power. Okay, put all the powers, then convert this also in centimeter, 20, this in meter, into 10 power minus 2, this square, and then solve it. Okay, so no need, since powers are not required, nobody is having some 10 power, 10 power, 10 power, it means all the powers are getting cancelled. So you don't have to write for CT exam. Save time, important, okay? Clear? Got it, everybody? Yes, no, yes, no. Come on, fast. Tell me, we have to start a new chapter of maths also. We can solve Oh, what you got the answer different? Unknown girl, same thing, no? Yeah. So we don't have to, in exam when we are doing, we don't have to, okay, higher mole, we don't have to put everything, okay. So we can just use normal values, get it done, okay. Clear? If I'm not seeing that they're also using powers, if it was a different way, like 10 power 10, 5760 or like 1540 into 10 power 9, here powers are very close. Now I have to do, okay. Next, per question give only 2 minutes. Okay. I'll be making it fast. I wanted answers from your side more, so that's why I gave a bit more time. Let's see. Chalo, let's see. Only 2 minutes will be given this time. Try everyone. After 2 minutes, I'll explain. So you just have 2 minutes time. Okay. Later, that time will be reduced to just a minute. A very simple question. See here, a very simple question, okay. 1 minute already passed. Come on, 1 more minute left. Fast, students. We got the first answer from Kartikeya. Very good. Almost a minute. Very good, unknown girl. Almost a minute. Good, Sandeep. Basha, lucky, everybody got it. Very simple question, correct? So see, everybody, very good, 2 into 10 power minus 11. See here again also I don't have to do power because everybody has same power. Okay, everybody has same power. Directly what I'll do, electric field is equal to what? K value 9, charge is what? How much? How much is given the charge part here? Oh, electric field they have given, no. So charge is not known. Okay, by this will be 30 centimeters, so 9 only will get. And this side what I'll get? Electric field as how much? 2. So done. So value will be 2. Why will I solve so much? It should take not more than 5 seconds, correct? See, electric field was given. This is the K value, this is the charge unknown, and this is R square. Just put the normal values, done. We have to save as much as time possible. Clear? In the exam, we can't go like 2 is equal to 9 into 10 power 9 into Q into 30 into 10 power minus 2 whole power square. This also we can do, but not needed. If all the powers are same, it means Rohan didn't get. See Rohan, what is the electric field formula? Do you remember electric field formula? K Q by R square. Electric field is already given as 2. K value we already know, 9 into 10 power 9. Charge we don't know, that we need to find it out, Q. Okay. And the radius, it is already given that, okay, the charge is 30 centimeter away from that field. So 30 into 10 power minus 2 converted into meter square, done. Got it, Rohan? Got it, everybody? Clear? And for those, if you are not getting still, I'll be again after the class, I'll be taking the doubt parts. Okay, there I'll again explain. Don't worry, okay? Clear now, everybody got it? Yes, no, yes, no. Try to go for this method. It takes not more than 5 to 10 seconds. Okay? Clear? Now, next question. Rohan, did you get it? Others try the next question. We just used the simple formula, Rohan. What was that formula? Electric field formula, nothing more than that we used. Just 2 minutes, Rohan, okay? 2 minutes per question. Come on, try. Clear. Tell the response, Rohan, if you didn't get, no issues. Again, I'll explain after the class. Don't worry. But we just use simple formula, that is E is equal to KQ by R square. We have used twice or thrice in the previous year's question in today's live session only. So for others it became easy to get to know that. Okay, just go through once, you'll get to know. Come on students, this one 2 minutes only we have. 1.5 minutes left. Fast. Okay. Leave this question, though you are getting it. Leave this question, will do, because dielectric came. No, but this is dielectric slab. Okay. You can do, but leave it. We'll explain. Everybody got C. C is wrong answer, but okay. We'll do it later, because I haven't taught you the dielectric part. What will be the value and this? So don't worry. I'll be teaching you that part, okay? C answer is wrong, but I'll be teaching you. So answer is 4. Fourth option. Fourth option, D is correct answer, but leave it because this is from electric, not from just charges and field. It is from potential part. We'll do it. Don't worry. Okay. No, it's not like F by K, because see, they're filling it half. So if they would have filled up full, we could have used that. Since they're filling it half, there is a formula, okay? So don't worry, I'll come to that formula later. Answer is D, 4F by 9. So leave it, okay? Go for the next question. I'll again explain that question. That question, I need to teach a bit of potential part, students. Again, we'll come back, so don't worry. I'll take care of that, okay? Because potential part was given. No, we haven't done potential part, so no issues. For those who know, they can do it easily. Okay. If you want, I can give the formula for that, but it's okay. Once we'll do, you'll be able to solve that in seconds also. Very simple. For the time being, if you want to know, I'll just give the formula if needed, okay? Now try this one, 17, 1 minute only. Fast. Tell me what will be the answer. The work done to move a charge on an equipotential surface will be how much? 0. What about others? 0, correct. Okay, Basha, I'll give the formula here. So this one everybody knows, correct? 0. Here the formula, if anybody wants to write, I'll give it. Okay. Do all want formula, or you want me to see here directly when two charges are there and in between you have put up a dielectric slab of half the part, okay? Let's say total is R and this is R by 2. So new force will be equal to KQ square by R minus T plus T root K whole square, where T is the thickness, okay? R is the total distance, so it will be KQ square by R minus R by 2 plus R by 2 into root K is what? 4. So KQ square by R by 2 plus this R, done. So you can solve like this, but I'll again explain, don't worry, okay? Very good unknown girl, okay? Work done is equal to charge into delta V, and delta V in equipotential surfaces, because potential is same, so delta V is what? 0. So work done is 0. Clear? Good. Delta V for a equipotential surface is what? 0. Next, fast. Just 2 minutes everybody has. Come on fast. Four V, B answer. Come on fast. Others. 43 seconds left. Come on fast. Okay, again it is passed through a charge. Potential difference. Again we have, okay. A lot of other chapter questions have been mixed, I think so, okay. But okay, let's see, try. I've already done the chapter, so no issues. Try everybody, let's see. इसमें mixed है थोड़ा. Let's see students, a charge Q through a potential difference is accelerated through a potential difference V. It is then passed normally through a uniform magnetic field where it moves in a circle of radius r. The potential difference to move it in a circle of radius r is. Now this question, okay, is not from just from first part, okay. So what I'll do, let's see, we understand few things, very simple things, okay. Whenever, just like we said, whenever you take a charge, put it in an electric field, you have a force QE. So whenever you have a charge and you accelerate through a potential difference of V, again in that case, what will be the force? What will be the force? No answers. Chalo. At least this much you can know. Work done is equal to what? Work done is equal to what? Charge into potential. This much everybody knows. Yes or no? Work done equal to what? Charge into potential. Now if something is moving, work done is also done in form of change in kinetic energy, half mv square. Anybody any doubt? Till here any all chill? Clear? This is basically part of MCM, moving charges and magnetism, okay. So from here, can we get the value of V? So V is equal to root under of 2Q capital Vm by M. Or we can directly use R is equal to mv by qb. Correct. Clear? So what we can do? R is directly proportional to what? Root V. So V is directly proportional to what? R square. So if radius becomes double, then V will become what? 4 times. Forget about R, just know this relation. The relation between R and this one is what? You are able to understand, students? a bit from MCM, don't worry. When I'll explain all this again, don't worry, so you'll be able to get it more easier, okay. Just we wanted to find a relation between this R and the radius and the what potential difference. That's it. Our main target was to find the relation between the radius and the potential difference. The moment we got that, it's easy. So what we saw, that potential difference directly proportional to R square. So if R is getting doubled, it will get 4 times. Clear? Clear, everybody? Yes, no, I'll again explain. Or a lot of people, they remember directly the formula, this formula. If you have read the chapter MCM, you will remember this formula. R is equal to root under of 2m charge into V by QB. How many people remembered this? So from here directly you can say R is directly proportional to root V and V is directly proportional to R square. So from here directly we can write, if R doubled, since R is proportional to V is proportional to R square, if R is doubled, then V will be what? 4 times. Yes, no, yes, no. Just remember this formula, Rohan. R is equal to will come. How we are getting this formula and everything I'll explain in the MCM chapter, moving charges and magnetism. R is equal to 2mqv by qb. Okay. Right now just keep that in mind. We'll be able to do it. Okay. Clear? Yes, no, clear, students? Just one formula, you keep it in mind. How we are getting and everything, we can't go right now in that chapter. So once we come to that, we'll again explain this question, okay? So don't worry. Clear? Okay, chalo. Try this question. Very simple, very easy, fast. 2 minutes you have. This question you can solve without knowing anything of physics. Just by maths you can solve it. This question you can solve just by knowing the maths, basic maths. If you know, you will be able to solve this question. No need of physics in this also. We got the first answer from unknown girl. What about others? Come on, fast. 30 seconds left. After this, we'll take a short break, 10-15 minutes, and we'll be back for maths, sets, relations, functions. 3 topics we need to cover. Okay. Sets, relations, and functions. Which option, Vimal? A. Okay. What about others? Keshav, Kartike, Basha. Time over, kids. See, a charge 2q you have divided into 2 parts. We don't know what. 2q you divide it into q1 and q2. Okay. Now, later the charges are placed after certain distance. So they are placed at certain distance. So force will be there. F is equal to K, Q1, Q2 by R square. Clear? Now, the force of interaction between them will be max when. Now they're telling that I'm not changing anything of their distance. Neither K is constant. So force is directly proportional to what? Mod of Q1, Q2 or the product of Q1, Q2. So I can say force maximum will happen if the product Q1 and Q2 is max. Correct. If the product Q1 and Q2 is max. Correct. Now if you take any, let's say I have 50 rupees. I want to break it into two parts. I can break it like 10 and 40. What will be the product? 400. If I break it into 30 and 20, what will the product? 600. If I break into half and half, 25 and 25, what is the product? 625. So what do you see? Whenever I have a product, like whenever I have an amount, if I break it into two equal half, okay, and then if I multiply, that product is always maximum. Just again understand with this example, I have 10 rupee. I can break it as, I can give somebody as 2 rupee, 8 rupee. So what will be the product of these two? 16. I can give it as somebody as 7 and 3. So again 21. But if I give it as 5 and 5, half half, the maximum will be this one. Correct. So whenever we have two charges, what I can do? I can break it as Q and Q. So that Q by Q1 will be what? We'll get the answer. Comedk, Kcet both. It is mixed. Mostly CET and in between Comedk is also there. Clear? So this is the level of questions, okay? Everybody got it? Subhasha, not the answer will be what? D. What about a lot of people wrote? Rohan, how you got A? It will be, because it is divided equally, so Q by Q1 is also Q, so 1. Clear? Very simple question, kids, okay? So force is directly proportional to, or force is proportional to the product of the charge. And product of the charge is maximum if it is broken into equal amount. Product of the charge is maximum if it is broken into equal amount. So very important, okay? Clear? We'll make about the time management also. Don't worry, I'll explain about time management. Okay. Time management is very, very, very important skill for CET. Okay. And Comedk too. So time management is very important. I'll make a live session for time management. Okay. Where whichever way you need to make it, understand and solve it, it's very important. Few points I always give while teaching, that per question you time it and solve it. Not more than a minute you should give it. Okay. Try this question, everybody. Let's see you can solve this question. Very similar to the previous question. Yeah, final answer is D. Very similar to the one question we solved earlier. Okay. So what I said, concept always repeats in CET and Comedk. Concept always repeats. Question won't repeat, but the concept will repeat, students. Okay. Concept always repeats, students, okay? Come on, everybody, fast, fast, fast. You have a 2-minute timer. See, per second, per question, your target should be above like 45 seconds. Because more than that, you cannot afford an exam. So you have to practice like that. Mock test, you have to practice like that. More than 45 seconds, you should not. One answer, D, Weber, fast, good. What about others? What about others? Unknown girl, what is the answer? Force into distance. Tell us the answer. Good, good. What about others? questions are damn simple. Just you need to increase your speed. Just speed has to be increased. A lot of people this time were able to solve in less than 1 minute. So we need to solve most of the questions of CET in less than 1 minute. So everybody don't go here and there. We'll take a short break. Okay. After this, like 2019, 2020 will do. After that, we'll take a short break of 15-20 minutes. Okay, have something to eat, and then we'll start with the maths. Then we'll start with the maths topic. Sets, relation and function, very, very important for CT part. A lot of question keeps coming up from relations and functions, okay? So don't skip it. We'll complete the concept and we'll go for the PYQs. Lucky, Karthik, come on, answers, kid. Now, 2 minutes over, so let me solve. First thing is, a particle of mass m charge q is placed at rest in uniform electric field. Put it. They are telling place it, so why we should worry? Okay, this is like when you are in peace, how do you solve it? Charge q, when the mass m, initial velocity 0. Very good. We got all this. I told you whenever you put a charge into our electric field, it experiences the force QE. And we know force is also equal to MA. So MA is equal to QE. This concept is repeated how many times? Many times. Okay. So what we got? A is equal to what? QE by M. A is equal to what? QE by M. Got it. Now we know 3 equations of motions. Why we need kinetic energy? So we need the velocity. We can go with V is equal to U plus AT. But we don't have the time, so we can't go. So we can go with V square equal to U square plus 2AS. Yes, we can go because we already know how much distance it covered. We know acceleration, we know initial velocity. Can we go with S is equal to UT plus half AT square? No, because time we don't know. So this rejected. So we got V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. So final velocity we don't know. Initial we know 0 plus 2 into acceleration is what? QE by M. And into S is what? Y. So we got now kinetic energy. Everybody knows kinetic energy is what? Sir, half mv square, half mv square, half into mass into what is V square? QE y by M. QE y by M. MM got cancelled. Then and 2 is also there. So 2 also 2 got cancelled. So QEY. That's it. Anything difficult? What are the previous concepts? This concept kept repeating, correct? This concept again kept repeating. This acceleration of motion again kept repeating. And this from the childhood days we have studied from 5, 6, 7 classes, correct? Kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Kinetic energy equal to half mv square. That's it. Clear everyone? Yes, no, yes, no. Anybody has any doubt? Come on, kids. Lucky, Karthik, Rohan, anybody? Any doubt? Chat section loads a bit, what do you say, late. So anybody do write in the chat section whether you have a doubt. Karthike, no doubt, no doubt. So what was so difficult? So you didn't get answers, all of you. Very few people got the answer. What was so difficult? This concept already no. The moment we put a charge in electric field, it will get a force QE and acceleration equal to MA. So directly this formula should be mugged up. A is equal to QE by M. Very easy. Directly. If I'm doing an exam directly, my first hand should go A is equal to QE by M. Now in mind I'll show velocity I know, but I can't use this equation. I can't use down equation. I can use only this. So directly I can get the next equation equal to V square is equal to 2QEY by M. 2QEY by M. This is my second line which I should write while solving an exam. Third line directly kinetic energy. That's it, done. Clear? So you can save a lot of time, 30 seconds max. Clear everyone? This is the way, this is the approach you have to do. You have to use it in the CT exam. Nothing less than that, okay? Just one line, this, this and this. Got the answer. Clear everybody? Yes, no, done. Let's see the next question. Try everyone. I already told you dipole, this question. Definitely Abhishek, if you want to start now also our crash course, you will definitely be able to score a rank less than 1000 also, I told you. But you have to be sincere, you have to be dedicated. Okay, no here and there, no Insta reels, no WhatsApp, no chatting with here and there with friends, girlfriends, whatever it is. No time waste, no distractions. 1 month dedicate for Comedk, work hard, whatever help needed, will be providing it. Do call us on this number if you need any other help. 8050491740, dedicated only for Comedk and CT students, okay? You can download the app, SAMCLASSES, numbers and everything is also given there. We got answers A, C. What about, let's see who supports A, who supports C. Come on, come on, come on, students. Let's see. Let's see. So first answer, unknown girl, Basha, Lucky, Vimal. See, he so many times I told, what I told, that, what I said, in physics part, in the concept, whenever you have a non-uniform electric field, so in that case, at this point also force will be different, at this point force again will be different, because electric field at this point is different. Electric field is E1 here, electric field is E2. So force won't cancel, and we don't know anything about torque. Torque may or may not be cancelled. So both force and torque will be there. Always keep that in mind. Both force and torque will be there. Clear? Because see, when it was uniform, okay, so what happened? There force is equal to QE, and here also force is equal to QE. So it was cancelled. Clear? Net force was 0. But when it become non-uniform, here force changed, here force changed. So net force will be there, okay? And torque also will be there. We won't be able to say whether it will be cancelled or not. It will depend on the values and everything, okay? So C is the answer, everybody. Clear? Clear, everyone? Good. See, concepts revision again and again. The moment you leave it, you'll forget it. The moment you leave it, you'll forget it. So, minimum 4 revisions. Minimum 4 revisions if you want to score a rank below 1000. Minimum 4. This one question you can try. Let's see. Try. We'll use the formula which we have already given. E is equal to V by M. E is equal to V by M. Use it, you will get it. Use it, you will get it. Come on, students, fast. Come on, everybody, come on. Do inform all your friends about the channel, okay? Put it in the status, whatever you can do. It will help us a lot. Not getting? Don't worry, I'll explain. Let's see, let's give everybody time. Very simple. We just have to use E is equal to V by M. And one more thing. One more line we have to use it here. See the first line, read everybody. Question reading is very important. The electric fields on the left have twice the separations on those on the right. This will give you a lot of values. So the left has, the electric field on the left have twice the separation on those on the right. So you can see the separation here is less, here it is more. So if here it is 40, here it will be 20. Now, first let's decode the first line. The electric field lines on the left have twice the separation on the right. Means whatever the separation they have in between, it is double than whatever separation is here. It means here if two lines can come, here only one can come. So here if the voltage is 40, here if the magnitude of field is 40 V by M, here it will be 20 V by M. Did everybody get this part first? Yes, no in the comment section fast. Yes or no in the comment section fast. See, here field lines are very near. Here they are double time separated. So it means half the lines, double time separated, half the lines. Everybody got this point? Yes or no? Yes or no? Come on students. Here again and again I am telling, here the distance between two field lines, whatever it is, here we have double of them. So means half only field lines come here. So half field lines means if the electric field here is 40 V by M, here it will be 20 V by M. Clear everybody? Okay. The moment you got that, question is done. F at B is equal to what? Charge into electric field. F at B is equal to what? Charge into electric field. Charge is 20, electric field is 20. Answer is done. What's so difficult students? Correct. B option. See, these all values were same, so no need to worry about this. Just this part. Clear? Now everybody got it. Only thing is just this English line that made you all what? That made you all damn scared. Correct? That English line was more than enough to trick you all. That's it. Everybody like, sir, not getting. Correct? Very simple. Never be tricked by the lines. Read it and understand it. You will get it. Now got it? Very damn simple question. Nothing is there in CT and Comedk that can scare you. What I told Basha yesterday, all the questions are looking damn simple. Yes or no? Every chapter of CT and Comedk will be damn simple. Don't worry guys, okay? Each and every chapter. But you need to revise. Once it became simple, if you leave it, again it will be difficult. Because from brain it will go off. Clear? Done. Chalo, everybody got it? We can move on to the next question. Everybody got? Put a note out in the chat section. Fast. This is done. Last question for this part. Do it fast. Directly formula based. This question is directly, if you remember the formula I told you, just formula memory is important. Nothing more than that. If you remember the formula for infinitely long thin straight wire of uniform density, they gave it. Done. One step and answer you will be there. One step and you will be getting the answer. Come on, done. D. Very simple. A lot of students are getting the answer. Good. Heat, good. Good, unknown girl. Vimal, good. Come on, kids. Good. So everybody got D. See, powers is same. I just need to solve just for the numbers. Powers is same. I just need to solve for the numbers. D, everybody. So everybody got the answer. The answer is D. Directly we just have to put the value. What is it? E is equal to, formula is what? Lambda by 2 pi epsilon naught r. So what we can do? Just multiply 2, make it 4, because we know the value of 4 pi epsilon naught, correct? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is what? We'll directly put, that is 4 pi epsilon naught into r. So that is 9 into 10 power 9, correct, into this 2. Lambda is 1 by 4 into 10 power minus 2 divided by r, 20 into 10 power minus 2. Forget about all these powers, no need. Just this 2, this got cancelled, and we got how much? 9 by 4. So 2.25, that's it. Clear? Not allowed, calculators not allowed. Clear? So everybody, keep it till here. We'll again be back in next 20 minutes for the math session. Sets, relation and functions, very important chapters. Don't skip, work hard, so that will be the base for your limits, continuity, differentiability, AOD, then integrals. Done. So we'll be taking maths, the calculus part, and getting done. In between, I'll just take a class for Kramer's rule for the determinants. That's it. Clear? So that will be done. Okay? Okay, everybody. So we'll be back, okay, in 20 minutes, okay? Which one again? Rohan? Which one again, Rohan? This one. See, just the value, put it up. If you remember the formula, E is equal to lambda by 2 pi epsilon naught into r. Then we remember the formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So what we'll do, we'll multiply 2 top and bottom. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, this whole value will be 9 into 10 power 9. 2 is already there, so 2. Lambda value we already know, this one. 1 by 4 into 10 power minus 2. And then divided by r. R value, put it up in meter, done. So you solve it, you'll get it. Okay. You don't have to solve for the power directly. You can take 9 into 2 into 1 by 4 divided by 2. So you'll get 9 by 4. That's it. This 2 cancel. 9 by 4 is equal to 2.5. 2.25. That's it. Nothing more. 30 seconds. It won't take more than 30 seconds. Okay. 23rd, this one. (23rd) is the question number. Okay. So we have solved more than 23rd, 25th questions. Okay. So everybody, okay. One more question you want to do, or we'll keep it till here. Take a break and then come for maths. Come on, fast. One more question, we'll take a break. What do you say? Response, kids. Okay, let's do one question. Let's see who all can do it. Let's see one last question. Come on, fast. 2 minutes timer. We got the first answer, D. What about others? What about others? Fast, fast. Come on, fast. D, C. Oh, we have a competition here. C or D, what's it? C or D? Is it C? Is it D? Is it C? Is it D? Is it C? Is it D? Q by 24, Q by 24, C. Q by 24, Q by 24. What about others? Q by 24. 1 minute more I'm giving. Try everybody. So we are getting an answer C or D. C or D. Let's see. Fast, fast, fast. What if we say it is neither C or D? What if we say it is neither C or D? Then what should be your answer? Let's see. What if we say it is neither C nor D? पीयूष, सी होगा? देखते हैं सी होगा कि नहीं होगा. थोड़ा सा सोचो, सी नहीं भी हो सकता है. थिंक Think all kids. Heat 0. Unknown girl C. Let's say we play a KBC here, and if we remove two wrong options, let's remove these two. Let's remove these two. Glitch B. Not bad, not bad. Tell me the reason for B. You sure, ma'am, it's C? See here, very important. See, we know flux is equal to what? E dot ds. Flux is equal to what? E dot ds. Everybody, never go with the emotions, go with the formulas. Flux equal to what? E dot ds. Okay, if you make this part A, B, C, D like this, okay, and if you have placed a charge on the corner, okay, place the charge Q at the corner of a cube of side A. Let's say you are placing it here. So what will happen? The ways how the charges are going, it is going like this, this, but in the same plane. Correct. What is the outward normal for here? Upward. Clear? So if you see ds and electric field here, both are what? Perpendicular. So flux formula is what? E ds cos 90. So cos 90 is what? 0. Yes or no? Cos 90 is what? 0. Yes or no, kids? Got it? Didn't get? C is wrong answer. B is the correct answer. C is wrong answer. B is the correct answer. Okay. So here understand, okay, go with the normal formula. What is the formula says? Phi is equal to E dot ds. Check the angle of E, check the angle of ds. The moment you see E and ds are perpendicular, the moment you get that, directly phi will be what? E ds cos 90, done. Clear? It would have been D if the charge would have been at center. That is a different case. Charge was at the corner, okay? Clear everyone? Yes, yes, clear everyone? So let's take a short break, okay? We'll be back in a while. That is when you are placing the charge in a different way. Okay, check it once. Check it everybody, okay, you will get it. The question framing is different in that question. We'll put that question also where the answer will be Q by 24. We'll put that question also where the answer will be Q by 6 epsilon naught. Don't worry. Clear? So everybody, one last question, do it and we'll end the session. Fast, 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 because we want to end it in a good note. Let's finish this question fast. 2 minutes timing you have. Come on, go fast with this question fast. We'll give you both the cases, Piyush, don't worry. We'll give you both the cases where one answer will be q by 6, one answer will be q by 24. Don't worry. Let's finish this question, we'll come back. Don't worry. Option C, very fast. Let's see others. Option C. Hi Lavanya ma'am. Option C, good. What about others? Fast, fast, fast. Students will be taking a break for 20 minutes. After that, the session will resume with maths. Chapters will be covering is sets, relation and function. Very important chapters, because after that, we'll be hitting straight on to the calculus. Limits, derivatives. Okay. Answer is C, correct. How do we get it? Time period formula, you should all remember 2 pi under root what? I by mb. Correct. Here, for mass part, what will happen? And for B, what will happen? So, what will be the value? Just brush the formulas and the concepts what we are teaching, go through. That should be more than enough. But again, revisions is must. Revisions and revisions, minimum 4 revision is must. Okay. Minimum 4 revision is must. So will the answer be C or will the answer be, what is your answer, ma'am? Is it C? Okay. For those getting answer C, that is correct. How do we get it? You have put up a dipole plus minus in an electric field E, dipole length, dipole strength P. So what will happen? Same thing in case of magnetic field and a magnet placed M. So the formula for that one is this one. So how do we replace the formulas? Same thing as magnetic moment M, here dipole moment since we are using. So dipole moment P will come. And since it is electric field, so it will be E. So done. Clear? Good. So everybody got it. We'll be keeping it till here. Okay. We'll be back soon. Good morning, Raja. Ready everyone? Hi Nishat. ओके चलो स्टार्ट करें बच्चों. चलो 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 स्टार्ट करते हैं. Join everybody fast fast fast. Ready Raja? Everyone ready? Put it in the chat section. Ready, ready. Ready, Heath? Okay, good, good. Karthik ready. Where is our Basha? Come on, Basha, join fast. Everybody is able to see the screen. Shall everybody ready for the chapter math sets? Very simple chapter, very easy. Chalo, let's start. Now the concepts of sets first. What is a set? We all know, well-defined collection of object. Well-defined means what, students? If I'll ask you a question, is the best batsman a set? A collection of the best batsmen is a set? Yes or no? Or collection of the best writers, is it a set? Or collection of the best poets, is it a set? Will it be yes? Will it be no? Put your answer in the chat section. If I'm asking collection of best batsmen or best poets, best writers. Is that a set? Yes or no? Correct. Correct, Kartikeya. Why? Because it is not well defined. For me, the best batsman can be different. For you, it can be different. For me, the best poet or the best writer can be different. For you all, it will be different. Okay? So it's perspective based. So whenever we make a set, we check that the items are well defined, where every person can agree on that. Clear? But if I say, what is the set that, what do you say, first 10 natural numbers. So everybody without any, what is the discrepancy, will have only first 10, 1 to 10 natural numbers. Correct? No here and there. Chalo, let's see. Now, sets can be represented in two forms, very, very simple. One is the roster form, the other is set builder form. Okay. Now, in roster or tabular form, what we do, we will list the elements. Let's say a set contains elements 2, 4 and 6. So, we write the first element separated by comma, second element 1 comma, third element done. And once we have written the set, we close it by third bracket, curly bracket, done. Clear? Now, next is what we have is set builder form. Here we write the properties by which we are making the set. We write the properties by which we are making the set. Like V is equal to a set V where X such that X is a vowel in English alphabet. X is a vowel in English alphabet. Okay. So in that case, what are we going to do? In that case, what we're going to do? It is the vowel in the English alphabet. So we have described the property by which we can make the set. Here we have described the property by which we can make the set. Okay. Now, few very known and well established sets are: N is for all natural numbers, Z for integers, Q is for rational numbers, R is for real numbers, Z plus positive integers, Q plus positive rational numbers, and R plus is positive real numbers. Clear, everybody? We all know this much. Okay, very simple, straightforward. Correct? Clear? So this page is clear for everybody. We'll go for the next page. Okay. Now let's see. We already know about the first part. We already got to know about this part. Now what is an empty set? A set which does not contain any element. Okay. So how do we denote it? Just by normal, not putting any element, or by writing phi. Both the ways we do it. Just by normal or without putting any values. So a curly bracket like this or just phi. Clear? Clear? Next, finite and infinite sets. A set which consists of finite elements, means which we can count 10 numbers, 20 numbers, 30 numbers, but we say a set where a natural number where it is greater than 10. So how many numbers are there greater than 10? Can you tell me? Infinite. So we can't. That is infinite set. Okay. Next important part. What is a subset? What is a subset? Set A is said to be subset of B if every element of A is present in B. If every element of A is present in B, like let's say A is a set 1, 2, 3 and B is a set 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So can I say A is a subset of B? What is the reason? Because each and every element of A is present in B. Each and every element of A is present in B. That's it. Damn simple. Clear? Each and every element of A is present in B. Clear, everybody? No doubt? Next, we already know about this, done. Equal sets. What are equal sets? Two sets are said to be equal if every element of A is present in every other element of B. Okay, like if A has 1, 2, 3 and B has 3, 2, 1, these two are equal. Order doesn't matter. Order doesn't matter. Clear? So every element, one element is here, here, 2 is here, here, 3 is here, here. So whenever each and every element is present in both the sets, we say these two sets are equal. Very simple. Now, intervals as a subset of R. This part is important. Now, whenever we try to put up in a number line, how do we represent? What does this open bracket means? What does this close bracket means? Very simple. Let's understand with an example. One second, student. One second just. Let's see now. So what we have here is, let's say in the number line, I have to show a value 2 to 3, 2 to 5. How will I write? So this 2 to 5 means what? I'm taking value from 2 and going till 5. But I'm neither taking 2 nor 5. Means whenever we write open bracket, it means end points we are not taking, end points we are not taking. Now whenever we write close bracket 2 to 5, it means we are taking each and every value from 2 to 5, including 2 and including 5. Including 2 and including 5. Okay. Including 2 and including 5. Clear? Including 2 and including 5. Now what if somebody has written 3 to 6? It means that here this value 3 is taken but not 6. We are taking the values till 6 but not 6. Clear everybody? Because this will be using a lot in inequalities part, LPP part and others. Okay. So any doubt, any slightest of the doubt, you can just tell it. Okay. Clear? Clear everyone? We'll go fast with this chapter. Very simple, not much concepts are there. Okay. Next. Power set is important. Power set is important. What is power set? Collection of all the subsets. Means how many subsets you have, that collection total is known as power set. So if the number of elements in set A is n, then the power sets will be 2 power n. Means if I have A is equal to 1, 2, 3, what will be the total power sets? 2 power 3. 2 power 3. So 8 will be the answer. Clear? Question like this have been asked a lot of times. Clear? Next, universal set. Universal set is the set which contains each and everything. Okay. So if I have a set A containing a triangles of equilateral triangles, so universal set can be all triangles, because in all triangle set we'll have all equilateral triangles also. Clear? Done. Now Venn diagram is important. How do you represent the sets in the pictographical form? Clear? So let's see how do we represent it. Now let's say First, we want to show the union part. What do you mean by A union B? A union B tells us, now this is my universal set, the square bracket or rectangular bracket you can say. Okay. In that I have shown set A and set B. This is my set A, this is my set B. Now I want to show what is union. So union says that the element should be present in A and it should be either present in B. So it means it can be present here or it can be present in B. Clear? So if you see, while taking the elements, I've done one thing twice. Means this part is coming twice. When I have taken A, it came once. When I have taken B, again it came once. So this part is repeating in union. Clear? So when I do A union B, it means that if I write X such that X either belongs to A or X belongs to B. It is either an element of A here, okay, or an element of B here. Clear? So union means what? Either an element of A, either an element of B. Means we need the whole thing. Now when we talk about the intersection, okay, now these two elements are having something in common. What about two sets like this? Let's expand it a bit. We have a universal set like this, where they don't have anything in common, A and B. What will be the union here? What will be the union here, students? So whole of A and whole of B. Clear? But nothing common here. Clear? So union means what? Part of A and part of B. That's it. Everything of A, everything of B. The repeating we don't write. If something repeats in a set, we write it only once. Clear? So if we have set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and set B is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 5. What about A union B? Tell me what will be the answer? A union B. Everybody fast. Tell me, very simple question. Come on fast. What will be the answer? A union B. What will be the answer? Come on, everybody, and put a very simple question. A is there, B is given. What is the answer? A union B. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is 1, 2, 3, 5. What is A union B? Karthik A. Correct. A. We don't write the repeat things. We just write once. Clear? So every element of B, every element of A. So A is the dominating. So we can just take A. Clear? Next, student. Good. Now let's see intersection. Intersection means something which is in A and in union it comes or, in intersection it comes and it is there in B. Something which is there in A and something which is there in B. Clear? So like this, the common part. This part is shared by A. It belongs to A also, and this part it belongs to B also. So this is the common or the intersection part. This is the common or the intersection part. Very simple, okay? Clear? Now, so this part all done. Next is difference of sets. Next is difference of sets. Let's say I have set A here, set B here. I want to find what is A minus B. So A minus B means what, students? From A, remove the part of B. from A, remove the part of B. So A minus B what? From A, remove the part of B. So A is this whole thing. And we remove the part of B. We remove this part. So what part left? Just this part. So this is nothing but A minus B. What about B minus A? What about B minus A? B minus A will be written as what? From B, remove the part of A. From B, remove the part of A. Clear? From B, remove the part of A. Clear? Done, everybody? Done, everybody? Next, complement of a set. Very simple complement part. Let's see complement of a set. Okay. So what is complement? This is my universal set. This is my A. So what is complement? A complement is nothing but from the universal set subtract A. So from the universal set subtract A. Clear? So what will be left? Leaving A everything. Leaving A everything. So leaving A everything will get. Now few properties are very important. Let's see and talk about that. We can write in this way also. A complement means it should belong in the universal set and it should not belong in A. That's it. Clear? It should belong in the universal set, but it should not belong in A. Now, if I take a union with A and A complement, I'll get universal set. Definitely. If I do an intersection, I'll get phi. No common. Now, this property is very important. De Morgan's law. We use a lot of places. We use in a lot of places. What is this property? This property is if I have A union B whole complement, it can be written as bring the complement inside and change the sign. So A complement intersection B complement. Same thing for the intersection. A intersection B whole complement, bring the complement inside and change the sign. A complement union B complement. That's it. Clear? Clear, everybody? Now if I do double complement, once I've complemented and again complement, I'll get A. Universal complement is phi, phi complements is universal. That's it. Now the best simple formulas to solve, we already know n of A union B. How do we get it? N of A union B is what? Let's say this is my A, this is my B. Clear? This is my A, this is my B. So here one element, here two element, here three. N of, if I want to find how many are there in the union, what I'll do, n of A, it will give me 1 and 2 plus n of B. So I'll get this time 2 and 3. But see, 2 is got extra. Union contains only 1, 2 and 3. So what we'll do, minus n of A intersection B. So minus 2. So we got 1, 2 and 3. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Everybody clear? Got it, everybody? Chalo. So done this part. Now for the 3 part also directly we can remember the formula. Clear? We can remember this formula. Very simple, very easy. Okay. So from this part, mostly we can some diagrams I'll give you. Okay, we already know for the Venn diagrams how to draw. So that is done. Okay, just for the students, let's see for the practice. Try to draw A union B whole complement and A intersection B whole complement. Very simple, very easy. Okay, these two also, so that you have an idea. Venn diagram helps us a lot in solving questions in a faster method. Okay, clear? Clear everyone? Now today again we'll start today in the chemistry class again. I think so it will happen around 5:30 or 6. A notification will come in the app SAM classes, okay? And this will be taken in the app. And around 9, sharp 9, I'll start this part from relation and functions. I'll start from relation and functions 9. Okay. So everybody, the timings I'm telling you, 5:30, between 5:30 to 6 your chemistry class will start. Okay. And by 9 p.m. I'll start with relations and functions. So the class can go big. Okay. So we'll finish relation and functions. Not much is there. We'll talk about relation and functions. Chapter is good. So we'll finish that. And then if possible, we'll start with the PYQ. If possible, we'll start with PYQ. Okay. So by tomorrow, relation functions will be done. And directly we'll start with the part limit, continuity and differentiability. Okay. So let's see. Till here, anybody any doubt? Very simple topic, sets. Till here, anybody any doubt in sets part? Come on, anybody any doubt? Yes, no, chat section, yes, no. Once by tonight we are done with sets. And one more thing, for the revision part, we have already finished mat and det. Okay, so do solve all the PYQs which I have given in the app. Download it, solve it, or without download, solve it. Next, what do you say? That is done. And then physics. Physics also we have done one chapter. So your target is now to resolve all the questions in 30 seconds. I have taught you, I have explained you how to solve it in much faster manner. Now it's your target today to revise. What you have to revise? Electric charges and field. Electric charges and field. And mat and det. Mat and det. All the questions which I have given. Once revise it and keep it. Once revise it and keep it. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Clear students? Okay. Revise it and keep it. Revise it and keep it. Okay. Done. So next class 5:30 to 6 it will be there. In the app part for chemistry and maths again will be back at 9 p.m. today. Today we are starting early. Don't be late. Okay. Everybody clear? Do download the app, those who have not downloaded, and get the previous year's question paper. Previous year's question paper. We have arranged it in chapter wise manner. Do it, go through, solve it. Okay. For today, keep it till here. Again, we'll be back in the night for chemistry class. Do join. Mandira ma'am is taking the class 5:30, between 5:30 or 6. The class will start. Okay. Till then, work hard, be dedicated. Jai Hind students. Thank you everyone. Okay. Any doubt, any difficulty you can put in the chat section. Any doubt, any difficulty you can put in the chat section. Okay. Be serious. Next 25 to 27 days will change the whole part of the future. What you have. At least not the future, at least the college in which you are going. Okay. These 24, 25 days or 30 days can change the college which you are going. So just work hard if you want to go into the top 3 college, top 5 colleges. Okay. So very, very important. Work hard. 25 days is still a very, very good amount of time to do good if you're serious, if you're dedicated. Okay. So as of now, we'll end it. Anybody else having any doubt, you can ask. Anybody with any doubt, you can ask. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can just ask it. Okay. And one more request to all the students, do inform all your friends about the channel. That will help us a lot. Do like, share and subscribe, okay? The channel is growing just because of your effort. So we need all the help what we can get from you all. Thank you and all. Keep it till here for today. Again, we'll be seeing in 5:30 we have a chem class, and 9 p.m. we have the maths class where we'll be doing the relation and function chapter. So don't skip it. Very important chapter. Okay. So no doubts. So I'll be ending the session. Okay. Done. Revision, what I told is very, very important. Electric charges and fields, again I'm telling, and matter and death chapter. Whatever chapters are done, keep revising. Okay, don't skip it. Okay, whatever chapters are done, keep revising. Okay.